Want to make money online? Today I'm breaking down 5 websites that pay freelancers real money, whether you're into writing, design, coding, or even short tasks. Stick around, because number 3 is where beginners can earn quickly, and number 5 could land you high-paying projects with big companies. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're ready to boost your income, let's jump right into the 5 platforms where freelancers are getting paid right now. Item 1. Upwork, the freelancer marketplace giant. Upwork is one of the largest freelance marketplaces globally. You'll find work in writing, graphic design, web development, marketing, and even virtual assistants. Example, a graphic designer can land projects creating logos for startups, with pay ranging from $20 to $75 per hour, depending on experience. Tip: build a strong profile with portfolio samples and client reviews. This helps you stand out and land higher-paying gigs. Item 2. Fiverr. Quick gigs, quick cash. Fiverr is famous for its gig system, where freelancers list services starting at just $5. But top sellers easily charge $100 to $500+ per project. Skills include voiceovers, video editing, SEO, and even fun things like social media shoutouts. Example, a video editor offering YouTube intro packages can earn $50 to $200 per client, and with volume, that adds up fast. Tip: use eye-catching thumbnails and gig titles like professional logo in 24 hours to grab buyers' attention. Item 3. Freelancer.com, global job board. Freelancer.com is another global marketplace where clients post projects, and freelancers bid for them. Categories include IT, marketing, writing, architecture, and customer support. Example, a web developer might bid on a WordPress site build with a budget of $300 to $1,500, depending on scope. Tip: don't underbid too low. Clients often choose mid-range offers with proven experience. Item 4. TopTal, elite talent, elite pay. TopTal is a premium platform for experienced freelancers. It's selective. They accept only the top 3% of applicants, but once you're in, the projects are high-end. Skills in demand: software development, finance, design, and project management. Example, a senior developer on TopTal can make $60 to $150 per hour, often working with Fortune 500 companies. Tip: apply if you've got strong experience. TopTal can transform your freelance career. Item 5. FlexJobs, remote work for every skill. FlexJobs focuses on remote and flexible jobs, both freelance and part-time. Skills range from data entry and transcription to project management and marketing. Example, a content writer might find a contract role paying $15 to $40 per hour, with consistent work from established companies. Tip: FlexJobs is a paid membership site, but it's curated, so you'll avoid scams and get legit opportunities. So there you have it, 5 websites where freelancers are getting paid: Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer.com, TopTal, and FlexJobs. Each one matches different skills and experience levels, so pick the one that fits you best. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more freelancing and money-making tips, and drop a comment below. Which of these sites would you try first?